Hi guys, I'm gonna make this video to help some of you with the sliding of the tandems, because I still got a lot of you Algerian, Albanian guys, having your friends call me, video call me. So, and you guys still don't get it. A lot of you guys, just don't listen. So I'm gonna make this video to actually show you guys. I shouldn't be making this video to help you guys, because a lot of American drivers don't want me to help you guys. But I'd rather help you guys than have you guys go into an accident and have a fatality with somebody. All right, I'd rather you guys be safe if you're going to be operating a truck and trailer here in America. Okay, so please pay attention. I'm only going to show you this once, especially for those that don't understand no more thinking. Okay, we're pulling both, right? Both brakes are pulled. When you're releasing the brakes, when I ask you to, only the yellow button. Okay? I have it in neutral. Now, I'm gonna have to walk all the way over here. You see that button? This button right here. You see how it releases? All right. Give me a moment. I have to do this, one-handed, but what can you do? Okay, you know how we saw that earlier, right? We pulled that. It released the air into the trailer. Okay. In some of the video calls, I see you guys pulling both. And I'm like, Whiskey, Tango, Foxtrot, oh my Lord, you. I don't know whether to laugh or hang up, but I did both. I hung up, I laughed, and then I called you back, right? All right. Now, just this. We're gonna push it all the way back, guys. Okay, and in order to do that, we're gonna put this on drive. Right? Drive. We're gonna move forward. This is still pulled, not released, because we're moving the trailer forward. Now, you could pull it. All right, depending on your gross weight, okay? California bridge length is 40 from that kingpin, and you walk 40 feet. Understand? See how this is all the way back now? Yes. That'll get locked into place. Tandems are all the way back. Now we could go into the back of the dock. Now remember, depending on your weights, the front steers, front axles, the steers. Okay? Now listen. Steer axles. Are only 12,000, right? Drive axles are 34, including the trailer tandems. The rear is only 34, right? Correct? Okay, for every hole, measure it as 250 pounds. Okay, that's how you adjust your weight, front or back. When you get your weight ticket, if you are heavy, over 34,000, let's say, for example, you're 250, move it one hole. Move it towards the problem, which means back the trailer. You're gonna do this same thing, moving it back and forth, but you're only pulling the yellow brakes. Understood? So if you are heavier on your drives, which way is the trailer gonna go? You're leaving your tandems, your trailer, where it is. You're gonna move the trailer towards the problem all the time. Where's the problem weight? Front or back? Drives, you move it towards the drives. If the problem weight is in the back, you move it to the back. Does that make sense? Can you guys comprehend that, please? I've met some of you guys already in person. You guys are nice people. You just want a better break. A lot of you called asylum, being here in the United States, which is fine. But there's a lot of people that don't like you guys. Okay? But if you're gonna be here, do it right. I'm going to show you another thing. A lot of these shippers want the weight that acts like a landing gear. Okay. I like to set my landing gear when they're unloading. Makes it easier for them to get you out faster, because they're in a forklift. You have to take in mind, they're in the forklift. They're not going to want to keep bouncing around. Understood? And the reason why they want it all the way to the back like that is because that acts like a landing gear on the rear end of that trailer. So everything is steady. Is that understood? Now, I'm pulling these and I'm putting this in. They don't want you moving the trailer at all while unloading. Now I'm gonna go in and get this delivered. Thank you.